afternoon, teacher and friends. My name is Alessandro Raymundo Castillo Atahuachi, and today I am to expose you about how quarantine changed society. Before, we went shopping at the market with our family. There were stadiums full of fans. The boys and girls studied at the school and played with their friends. We could go to the park with our family to play or have a picnic. We could play, sing, dance, etc. with our grandpas, uncles, cousins. How does not miss the cinemas? School parades pay tribute to the homeland. Now, markets were closed as a precaution. The stadium did not open and there were. We could not see our favorite team. Now we have a virtual class. The parks are closed. We make video calls to our uncles, grandpas, etc. The cinemas and the public events were closed. This quarantine affects us all. Stay at home. Now comes the questions. Do you like the virtual classes? You miss seeing your favorite soccer team play? Before quarantine, where did you go? Thank you, teacher and friends. Thank you very much. Bye bye.